Children, welcome to the EVS class. All of you open your EVS textbooks. Open page number 8. Open page number 8. So here today we will see new topic, and the topic is animals, homes and young ones. So animals and where that animal lives and when they are in young, how they look and what they are called. So let us see. So here what we have to do means match the animal with its young ones. So here animals are there, right? And here young ones are there, and it's homes and homes. So animals also lives in homes, right? So one animal lives in different types of homes. So they have constructed their homes according to their nature, according to their atmosphere, according to their purpose. Okay, so every animal has its own type of house. So we have to match that. See here, children, young one means, see, when we have grown up, we look like different, and when we are in young one means when we are in child will look different. So observe yourself, children. Take your childhood photographs, means when you are in 1 year or 2 years. If you observe, you will see difference, right? You will see difference. So when you are in 1 year or 2 year baby, you look different, and now you look different, right? So let us see how animals look in their young one and what the homes they live. Okay, so these are the young ones, children. Young ones and animals. These are the animals we have to match with young ones, and these are the homes we have to match. See, children, so I will say you one more point. So not only young ones, when these animal gives birth to the babies, when these animal gives birth to the babies, their babies also look like young ones only, right? Because these are all animals also small babies, so they have grown up. So how they look in their young age, so their kids also look in same like the young age. Okay, so let us see. So what is the first animal? Deer. So what is the first animal here? Deer. So let us see how deer look like in his young. Okay, see here, children, this fawn. So this one is a deer. So deer is look like this one. So when they are in young, so they have different names. So when they have grown up, they will have different names. So when deer is young one, so it is called as a fawn. So when deer is in child age, it is called as a fawn. Or the baby of the deer is also called as an fawn. So match the deer with fawn. Okay. See, children, here you have to remember 2 words. So here I am saying young age of the deer means young one means child of the deer. It may be child age of the deer or baby of the deer. So I was saying when the animals are in child or when they have babies, so how they look like. Okay, so deer is called as an fawn. So deer child Dear child is called as an fawn, not dear children. It's deer. Okay, so let us see where deer lives. So see this nest. So deer lives in nest? No, it is not at all suitable, or it is not at all comfort to the deer, because deer is a big animal. So nest is small one. So we will see, is that nest is enough home to live there? You think? No. Next, forest. So maybe in sometimes they have live in forest. And next one is pond. So deer lives in ponds? No. Once it enters into the pond, it shrinks into the pond. And next one is grassland. So yes, deer lives in grassland. So deers, why they are lives in grassland means, so deer's food is grass. So they'll eat grass. So they have mostly, we will see deers in grasslands. Okay, this is deer. So deer and one is fawn and they live in grassland. So we had completed one animal, and see the next one. What is the next animal? Lion. What is the next animal? This one is lion, right? This one is lion. So cub. So young one of lion is cub. See, so when lion is in child, or when lion gives birth to his baby, so it look like this, and it is called as a cub. It is called as a cub. So we all know where lions lives. Lions lives in forest. So what is the home of lion? Forest. So match with that forest. Okay? Okay. So lion and one is cub and they lives in forest. And let us see next. What is this? Crow. Crow. So you all see crows, right? So young one of crow is chick. Young one of cow is chick. So this one is the chick. So you all know where the bird lives. Birds build nest to live, right? So where the birds lives, birds build nest. So where is the nest? Here, right? So you all know that crows and all type of birds build their homes in the tree as a nest, and they all lives in nest. So crow and one is chick and they lives in nest. And what is the next one? Frog. What is this? Frog. So you all see frogs in our surroundings, right? So young one of frog is froglet. So young one of frog is froglet. So frogs lives in water. So they lives in both land in water. So they mostly, if we saw, mostly frogs lives in pond. So home of the frog is pond. Here pond is there, right? So pond. So mostly frogs lives in water. Okay, children? Yes. Next, yes, we had completed. So deer and one is fawn and their home is grassland. And lions and one is cub and they lives in forest. And crow and one is chick and they lives in nest. And frog and one is froglet and they lives in pond. Okay, children? So this is today's EBS class, animals, homes and young ones. Okay, children, if you have any doubt, call to me. I will clarify you. Okay, children, all of you have a nice day. Bye.